What if some of the smartest gadgets on Amazon are already here, and they look like they came straight from the future? Today, we're counting down 20 futuristic Amazon gadgets that can seriously upgrade the way you work, travel, relax, and live. KingSmith Foldable Walking Pad. Want to stay active without spending hours at the gym? This compact walking pad lets you walk while working, watching TV, or taking calls. Its slim, foldable design fits easily into small spaces, making it a smart Amazon gadget for busy people who want convenient daily movement. Remarkable Paper Pro. Tired of carrying notebooks and digital devices everywhere? The Remarkable Paper Pro gives you a distraction-free way to write, sketch, read documents, and stay organized. With a paper-like experience in a sleek digital device, it's a smart productivity gadget for students, professionals, and anyone who loves focused work. Enabot EBO Air 2 Plus. What if you could check on your home and pets from almost anywhere? The Enabot EBO Air 2 Plus is a smart robotic companion that moves around your house, streams live video, and lets you stay connected remotely. It's a futuristic gadget that adds convenience, security, and fun to everyday life. HDMI transmitter and receiver. Tired of messy HDMI cables running across the room? This wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver lets you stream video and audio from your laptop, PC, or gaming console to a TV or projector without the cable clutter. It's a simple upgrade for a cleaner, more convenient entertainment or presentation setup. Cheerdots 2 Mouse. This isn't your average computer mouse. The Cheerdots 2 combines a wireless mouse, presentation remote, air mouse, and AI-powered productivity features in one compact device. It's a smart Amazon gadget for work, presentations, and travel, helping you stay productive without carrying multiple accessories. Portable electric cooler and warmer. Heading out for a road trip, camping trip, or family picnic. This portable electric cooler and warmer keeps your drinks cold or your meals warm without needing ice. It's a practical travel gadget for long drives and outdoor adventures, giving you convenient temperature control wherever you go. Handheld garment steamer. Forget the ironing board. This powerful handheld garment steamer quickly removes wrinkles and refreshes clothes in minutes. Its lightweight, portable design makes it perfect for home, travel, work, or last-minute touch-ups, giving you an easy way to keep your clothes looking fresh and ready to wear. Automatic magnetic stirring mug. Forget the spoon and messy mixing. This smart mug uses a built-in magnetic stirrer to blend your coffee, tea, hot chocolate, or protein shake with the press of a button. It's a simple but futuristic gadget that makes everyday drinks easier, smoother, and more convenient at home or in the office. Mini folding keyboard. Need a full-size typing experience without carrying a bulky keyboard? The Sekai case. Mini folding keyboard folds into a compact, travel-friendly design that works with your phone, tablet, or laptop. It's a smart productivity gadget for work, school, and travel when you need a keyboard on the go. Aura Display's laptop monitor. Still stuck with just one laptop screen? This portable triple-screen monitor instantly expands your workspace with 2 extra displays, making multitasking faster and more organized. Whether you're working, trading, editing, or gaming, it gives you a desktop-style setup wherever you go. Tobii Eye Tracker 5. Imagine controlling the action without touching another button. The Tobii Eye Tracker 5 uses advanced eye and head tracking to make gaming more immersive, adding greater precision and awareness. For gamers who want next-level gameplay, this futuristic gadget can completely change the way you interact with your favorite games. WACACO Minipresso Machine. Love great coffee without waiting in line? The WACACO Minipresso lets you make rich, cafe-style espresso almost anywhere. Its compact, portable design is perfect for travel, camping, road trips, or the office, giving coffee lovers a convenient way to enjoy fresh espresso without electricity. Artlii Enjoy 2 Portable Projector. Why settle for a small screen when you can create a giant one almost anywhere? The Artlii Enjoy 2 Portable Projector turns movie nights, gaming sessions, and presentations into a more immersive experience with its compact design. It's a simple way to bring a theater-style setup to your home or take it on the go. Divoom Timesgate. Think a clock is just for telling time? Think again. The Divoom Timesgate GB Pixel Clock combines customizable pixel art, RGB lighting, and real-time information in one futuristic desk gadget. It's a great way to add personality and a high-tech look to your workspace or gaming setup. Black Voyage Vacuum Travel Backpack. Wish you could pack twice as much without carrying a bulky bag? The Black Voyage 60-liter vacuum seal. Travel backpack uses built-in vacuum compression to maximize storage and keep your clothes organized. It's a smart travel upgrade for vacations, business trips, and weekend getaways when every inch of space matters. LetPot LPH AIR Indoor Garden. Want to grow fresh herbs and vegetables without a backyard? The LetPot LPH AIR Indoor Garden uses smart hydroponic technology and LED grow lights to help plants thrive right on your kitchen counter. It's a convenient, mess-free way to enjoy fresh ingredients year-round, even in small spaces. Electrolux Refine 700 Steamer. Wrinkled clothes can ruin a great outfit, but the Electrolux Refine 700 Steamer makes fixing them quick and easy. Its powerful steam helps refresh fabrics and smooth out wrinkles, making it a convenient choice for everyday clothing care at home or while traveling. Tedmos Rechargeable Puck Lights. Tired of dark closets, cabinets, or hallways? These Tedmos rechargeable puck lights install in seconds with no wiring required. With motion detection, rechargeable batteries, and bright LED lighting, they automatically turn on when you need them, adding instant convenience to almost any space. Cinlinso Rechargeable Superbright Flashlight. Don't let its compact size fool you. This Cinlinso rechargeable flashlight delivers powerful illumination when you need it most. With multiple lighting modes, USB charging, and a durable design, it's a practical gadget for camping, emergencies, night walks, or everyday use. TSJ Office Desktop Glass Whiteboard Stand. Still using sticky notes for everything? The TSJ Office Desktop Glass Whiteboard Stand gives you a clean space to jot down reminders, daily tasks, and quick ideas while keeping your desk organized. It's a simple productivity upgrade that helps keep important notes right where you can see them. Thanks for watching. Which of these futuristic Amazon gadgets would you actually buy? Drop your favorite in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tech finds.